birthday, Alexin! Nagpapasama nga eh.
So once again po, good afternoon to all of our mommies and daddies and especially to our kids. And once again, welcome po kayo sa first birthday party of Lexi. Pwede mo ba ako makingin isang malakas na palakpak for Lexi? Isa pa po malakas na palakpak for Lexi, everyone! Alright, and for grand celebration. And of course, it's my distinct pleasure to introduce to you for the first time Daddy Nico, Mommy Janina, we have Arnie, Aiden, and our birthday girl, we have Lexi! Everybody, let's clap your hands! Clap, clap, clap. Mommy, Dad, dito tayo sa stage. Dad, dito mo tayo. Alright, now please remain standing po. Manatili po tayo nakatayo. Okay, and so, please, all eyes na po tayo in our cake po. That's our cake ceremony. And I'm sure, alam niyo po yung birthday song. Tama po ba ako? Do you know the birthday song? Oy, thank you, Oli, ha? Ay, sorry, Ali. Ulitin naman ako. Alright, so again po, do you know the birthday song? Okay, tanungin natin yung slide nito. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know the birthday song?
Yes!
Thank you so much. The other side po, do you know the birthday song? Okay, so please, do follow us po ha. Sundan niyo po kami. Happy birthday! You can do more, you can do more. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ay, mahal mo lang. Okay, so now guys, so we don't have warm-up birthday song. Wala po tayong warm-up birthday song. Ito na po yung pinaka-kettle bombing ni Lexi. So please, samahan niyo po kami sa pagkanta. Show your love! Okay? Show your love kay Lexi po. Okay? Let's go! Mr. DJ, let's have the music please. Everybody, let's do it! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, it's time to put your hands together. Casa, right everyone! Happy! Come on, everybody! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, let's go this side! Happy
Birthday to you!
How about the other side? One more time! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Palakpakan naman po natin si Lexi. Alright, and this time, Mommy, Daddy, patulungan na lang po si Lexi.
Happy first birthday, Lexi. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and happiness. And we're always here for you. To support you, guide you, and love you every day. And enjoy your big day, anak. Mahal ka namin ng mami. Thank you.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Daddy dito. And of course, okay, let's go, meron na po kayong daughter.
Ang wish ko for baby Lexi is, ayun, kagaya kay Daddy, happiness. Siyempre, kasama doon yung good health, pero minsan nalilimutan natin na i-wish yung happiness ng mga anak natin. So ako yun, wish ko sa baby is palagi kang masaya and healthy. And of course, matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. So, mahal na mahal ka namin, kami nila kuya. So, ayun, mag-enjoy ka ng anak sa life. Nandito
Siguro
lang
ni
kami,
Baba.
ibigay ka
Tingnan mo.
namin. We love you so much, baby Lexi.
Parang daming tao.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Mom. And of course, si Aitin din, meron siyang birthday wish. Okay. Si Kuya Arkin din meron! Si Kuya Arkin! May wish ka na! Meron! Wala daw. Ito text na lang daw. Text na lang. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Since marami po tayong mga toddlers, kailangan po namin ng tulong po ninyo for our first game, okay? Kasi this is my third time po sa family po nila, Ma'am Julina. Okay, so first birthday po ni Arkin, first birthday po ni ni Aiden, tas first birthday po ni Lexi, ako po lahat yung nag-magic doon. So some of you, nagiging guest and clients ko na po. So meron tayong games na gagawin, okay? So guys, our first game, this game is what's called the selfie game. Selfie game. Selfie! Okay, so this, get ready your selfie together with a giraffe. Go!
Giraffe.
Kailangan mag-selfie kayo, ha? Oh, where's the picture? Kailangan mag-picture together with the giraffe, ha? Okay, very good. So sit down pag meron na. Meron ka na selfie together with the giraffe? Wala pa, you have to take a picture with the giraffe. Ako, selfie. Mukha mo lang yan, anak. Okay, kailangan may picture kayo ng giraffe. Come on, let's go. 1, 2. At kailangan pa picture ko pa. Ang sabi ko po, giraffe. Giraffe po ba ito, sir?
Boy,
Selfie.
ginagawa mo dyan,
Selfie
boy.
ko eh. Selfie list. Artist, dito ka. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go. Where's the artist? Okay, wala natin si Debbie. Guys, salamat ha. Thank you for being sports ha. Okay, ito na. Let's do the hawak mo na ang beat. Okay, hawak.
Sweet.
Okay, isa pa. Okay, strong. Kaya, may consolation prize tayo. Bigyan natin ang consolation prize. Okay, yan. Makisulit na ba? Makilingin na. Okay, anyone for the crowd? Nakakailan ko kung ilang buwan ko lumabas ang email ko. Watch this. Okay, thank you. Okay, ang sunod na ni ano? Ang sunod ni Aiden. Okay. Alisin daw mo na Kuya Arkin, ha? Okay, smile. Okay, smile. Okay, ang sunod siya pa. Okay, let's go. Ali, thank you, Pancho. Smile. Okay, smile. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you. Wait lang nga pa-picture ko kayo, ha? Dito muna kayo sa sa'yo. Smile. Takot. Okay, let's go. Bye. Dito sa kabila. Smile, ha? Okay, thank you. Mom. Smile po. Change pa. Smile. Okay, thank you po. Okay, so before we start, who's with you? What's your name again? Allen? Calix. Who's with you, Calix? Sino kasama ni Calix? Okay, cousin, sister. Who's the sister? Where's your sister? Atol. Okay, Calix, ready ka na? Okay, guys, Guys, sa mga kids natin ha, stay lang kayo. Sit properly na ha. Okay, are you ready? Okay, question guys, question. Question. Okay. Ay, where's my flower? Where's my flower?
Kadila to.
Sir,
Ay,
flower.
nagising pala.
Okay, you know what color is this? Blue. Okay, guys, question. Before we
Gagalit.
continue, I want you to blow the microphone like this.
Gising.
Dalawang beses. Let's read. Okay, now we already practiced the blowing na ha. Now this time you have to blow this one. Okay, everybody blow. Blow. Okay, you want me to turn this blue rose into white rose? You want pink? Oh, let's do it pink. Ano talaga? Final color. Okay, let's do it. Let's make it green. Okay, but we have to blow it. Blow. Blow. Let's make it green. 1, 2, 3, green. Blow. Blow. Oh, blow. Blow. Ay. Blow. Blow.
May tubig.
Kuna! Hindi ko sure. Ba't pinapasama si Galix?
Ayan. Taba kasi ng pistil.
Okay, don't worry. Sige, may pagsukat naman ako dito.
Para
At
si
least
birthday
6 feet tall. 6 feet. 6 feet tall. Okay.
Bye, Bongka.
Bongkan, bye-bye.
Okay, 6 feet. Teka lang, ayusin ko lang yung shirt na. Ha? Okay, let's count the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
Tinuturo
feet.
niyo.
6 feet yan. After 1 hour, mas nakakatawa yan.
Bye-bye, Bochog.
Okay, are you ready?
Laki ng mukha.
Okay, give me the tissue. Okay, this time, mag-magic na tayo.
Bye-bye.
Mag-magic na tayo agad. Kasi guys, may bubble shoot or just like this. Show it to them. Yan, show it to them. Okay, the other side, like this. Okay, the other side. No. Dapat yung kanan. Yan, very good. Okay. Okay, like this. Up. Down. Hands and hips. Okay? Whatever I do, you need to follow me. Lahat ng gagawin ko, gagayahin mo. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Make your family proud, ha? Let's do this. Music, please.
I go by the name of CL21. It's been a long time coming, but we're here now. And we about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours, 'cause I'm getting mine.
Mga talaga alam ni Mighty.
Okay. Get the middle part. Kukunin yung gitna. Like this. Okay guys, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin si Calix. Teka lang, push. Sabi ko kasi sa iyo, sundin mo, kugayahin mo ko. Okay, don't worry, di kita papahiya, ha? Okay, guys, what happened to the tissue of Calix? What happened? Nag-burn. Okay, you want me to remove the burn? Kasi mamaginin natin, tatanggalin natin. Let's remove the burn, okay? Let's have the music, please. Let's go. Okay, Calix, show it to them. Wala nang sunog yan. Oh, wala nang burn. Oh, wala nang burn. Wala nang burn? Di ba wala nang sunog? Ha? Ano ba?
Si Mami.
Eh, hindi na usapan, wala lang sunog. Ano gusto niyo gawin ko? Mawala yung butas. Mawala yung hole. Okay, sige. Tatanggalin natin yung hole. Music, please.
Follow me, 숨이 차오를 만큼 달려주고
Okay, show it to them. Wala lang hole.
재밌죠? 겁내지 마.
Ha? Close. Oh, wala lang hole. May butas pa? Ha? Alam gusto niyo? Mabuo. Gusto niyo mabuo? Sino may gusto? Taas sa kamay. Raise your hand for those kids who want to eat new again. Sino may gusto? O kayo gumawa. Gagawin natin yan, ha? Okay, syempre, magician tayo eh. Gagawin natin yan. Okay, look guys, nothing inside. Nothing outside. Nothing inside. Okay, music please. Rambo. Sure. Sure. Sorry. Okay, let's do it again one more time. Nothing inside. Guys, nothing outside. Shoot. Blow. Okay, move your hands. Sorry, move your fingers. Go to the seat. Please get the tissue. Get it. Show it to them. Show it to them. Open it. Sorry. Put it back. Crumple it. Sorry. Put it back. Blow. Okay, move your fingers. Get the tissue. Okay, show it to them. Siyempre, hindi kita papahiya. Okay. Doon na. Okay. Guys, watch this. Let's have the next music, please. Watch this. Wait up, sir. Wait up. Dami. Guys, you sit down, please. Come on. Okay, we need some space for this one. Okay, atras tayo guys, atras. Okay, since sinamahan mo ako ng magic, of course, we'll give you the prize. Okay, bigyan ka na ng prize. Wait lang. Oh, stay here, please. Stay here, please. Okay, here's your prizes. Thank you so much for helping me. Maraming salamat. Mag-picture tayo. Kailangan resibo. Makita nila kung dinigin natin. Okay, thank you. Once again, palakpakan naman mo natin si Carlos. Wait lang si Arkin muna. Requesting si Arkin to wait. Smile, Arkin. Smile.
Aalis yun. Galit sa
Okay, thank you. Wait, he's still there. Wait. Ikaw na, solo na naman. Solo mo. Okay, smile ha. Smile. Okay, thank you. Kids, let's go na. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you. Sige pa. Okay, smile. Thank you. Next.
Laging ganun yung pose. I don't like it.
Okay, next. Okay, wala na? Hey, less. Very less. Okay.
Totoo si Ben. Hindi ka doon si Ben, pero hindi gaganyan ko wala si Tito. Katabi ko lang yun. Oh, totoo. Sisi naman. Malakas niya. Oh! Yung sapatos mo kahapon na
Nakakaya, nakita nila sir. Ikaw naman. Ayusin mo naman. Guys, pinapakalaman natin siya. Thank you! Oh, wait lang! Surprises, ha? Here's your prizes. Thank you so much. Oh, ayan ha. Oh, picture mo na, picture. Smile!
Hindi niya kasi nakikita.
Next time, sir. Ibang TM sir yun eh. Yung TM natin yun, pamaliit lang, sir. Okay, and of course, aside from that, we have a special gift for you. Special gift for you. I hope magustuhan mo, ha? Buksan mo. Kasha. Kasha ba? Tinatin kasha ba? Kasha. Uy, perfect fit! Perfect fit! There you have it, guys. Walang pakalaman natin siya. Thank you!
To myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white. The bright blessed day.
Oh, you know what's this?
Dogs say goodnight.
It's a
And I think
It's
to
a-
myself,
flower. Very good.
what a wonderful world.
Okay, pagka nagpapagrow ka ng flower, what do you need? Is water.
Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, shaking hands. Every city I love.
Bago na yun na niya.
It's right. I watch them grow, and I watch more than I
Watch this.
What a wonderful
Kulang yung tugtog.
What a wonderful that I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Alright, there you have it, guys.
Myself.
Okay. This time, okay, guys, this will be our last and final magic. After this one, mag-bubble show tayo. Okay? Mag-bubble show tayo. Sino gusto mag-picture inside the bubbles? Inside the bubbles. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, and... Okay, everybody say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Let's go! Alright, guys, I want to meet my good friend. This one is a Burmese python, okay? Yes! Oo. Okay, so this time, we will have some pictures. So invite natin si Mommy, si Daddy. Let's go on Mommy and Daddy. Sir Mommy, baka mag-return. Mommy, sama na po kayo. Para may family picture po. Si Ate Ruby yung kanilang yan. Ate Ruby. Okay, smile po, smile. Okay. Sino na? So, bakit sa tayo sa mga picture, guys? Papunta kayo doon kay Kuya. Okay, ayun kay Kuya. Opo. Okay lang po.
Bel ayaw na. Ayaw niya.
Ayaw niya sa snake, di ba? Ayaw niya sa
Okay, mapakaganda na po ako. Okay, let's have some picture, ha? Guys, baka madulas kayo. Tingin sa camera, ha? Tingin sa camera. Smile! Smile!
Puxa amigo e vem dançar, mostra tudo que cê sabe, o Guga vai analisar.
Amor.
Timidez de lado, puxa amigo e vem dançar.
Smile!
Don't be shy.
Smile! Arkin, smile!
Top the fun's gonna fly. Lions roar and acrobats soar. The model is Marcus, circus is more.
Sa pastor.
Come and play. Marcus's Circus, they're on the way. Marcus's Circus, it's Magic's Day.
Okay.
And cheers, they're on the way.
Happy birthday!
Step right up, don't be shy. Under the big top, the fun's gonna fly. Lions roar and acrobats soar. The marvelous Marcus Circus is more. Step right up, come and play. Marcus's Circus is here today. To the circus train, don't you worry, it'll come again. Marvelous Marcus leads the way. The circus is here, hip hip hooray! Step right up.
Ready guys? Di mababa po sir. Okay, ready pa. Isa po. Smile po, smile. Smile po. Ready po mas close pa, mas close pa. Naka-kiss po sir, naka-kiss. Sige, ma'am, matapos naman na po ito. Message po. Let's hear the message coming from the mommy and daddy.
Thank you po sa pag-stay dito sa birthday ni baby. Nakakatatlo na. Ayun, thank you sa mga nagbigay ng effort and of course ng time para sa baby namin ngayon. Last baby na namin to kaya last gathering na namin to ngayon. Ayun, maraming salamat. Thank you po. Mag-ingat po tayo pa uwi. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Please, please. Okay, dati may i-add pa po kayo. Nasabi na daw lahat. Okay, dati wag muna po kayo maalas. So mag-group photo lang po tayo. Well, that's a one big group photo lang. Sir? Frostbite. Yung sila potato corner. Red Dixon.